You think she will love you? Fool. You're a fool. Keep deceiving yourself, spending money. It will not end well. You will cry. You think the girl loves you because you are spending, huh? You are answering, you are giving her attention. It will end in tears. You just give it a little bit of time, maybe. Let's give it 2 months, 3 months. It will definitely end in tears. I'm telling you for free. Huh? I know how to play these games. You know how to play this game? I'm the master at this game. Stop fooling yourself. Nobody loves you. Go and make money. Make a lot of money. Then do whatever you want. If you're looking for love now, I'm sorry, you can find it. Because when you're busy giving them attention, everything you got, when it's the right time, they will look for the ones that be serious with their life, making money. But you that was showing your love and attention, say, babe, we have outgrown this stage. So back off. I'm sorry man, but this what will happen.